Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Sadak and today I'm going to be presenting matter. As you can see, matter it surrounds us, defines our physical reality and fundamental dedicate every force in the universe. Today, let's cover half of the chapter of 8th grade matter. Let's see the index. So we have what is matter, composition of matter, characteristics of molecules and states of matter and change of state. Let's start with the main question. What is matter? So let's go to the next slide. What is matter? um At its most fundamental level, matter is not negotiable. It is defined as any living or non living entity that has mass, occupies space, and can be perceived by our senses. It can be composed of fundamental particles known as molecules, which are separated by intermolecular spaces and remain in continuous motion. Composition of matter. Now, let's examine the historical modern composition of matter. Historically, Indian philosophers posited that matter comprised of five fundamental elements known as Panchatattva: space, Akash, air, Vayu, fire, Agni, water, Jal, and earth, Prithvi. Maharshi Kanada later refined this concept, proposing that matter consists of minute invisible particles termed Anu. In modern specific scientific terms, Anu corresponds to molecules, the smallest units of substance capable of independent existence while retaining all of its chemical properties. The characteristics of molecules. There are four main characteristics of molecules of matter. They are small in size, they have space between them, they are in constant motion as they possess kinetic energy. They attract each other. Let's us describe all of the points. Focusing on the first characteristics, molecules are small in size. Molecules are sub-nanometer particles measuring approximate 10 to the power negative 10 meters in diameter. The microscopic scale makes them undetectable even under high-powered optical microscopes. You can see them. The second characteristic is the molecules have spaces between them. Intermolecular space is defined as the distance separating individual molecules. This varies by state. Solid have minimal space due to tight packing. Liquids have moderate space, and gases have maximum space with widely disparate molecules. Let's go to the third point. Molecules are in constant motion. Third, molecules undergo constrained vibrations in solids and are fixed in their mean positions. In liquids, they glide freely within confines the vessel. In gas, they exhibit rapid, constrained random motion throughout the total available space. Let's go to the last point. Now, let's go to states of matter. The main states of matter is solid, liquid, and gas. The three properties needed for defining them. The properties of these states are governed by three factors: intermolecular space, the force of attraction between molecules, and the kinetic energy of molecules due to their motion. Properties of matter. Breaking these states side by side. Solid. Strong intermolecular forces and minimal kinetic energy, which leads to the reduction of intermolecular space, binding matter into a solid state. Liquid, characterized by moderate attraction and sufficient kinetic energy, making them move more fluidly within expanding intermolecular spaces. Gases, marked by negligible intermolecular attraction and high kinetic energy, which makes the particle intermolecular space very less, meaning the least. Now let's go. Change of state. This refers to a thermal process in which a substance transactions between solid, liquid, or gaseous state. This transaction occurs at a constant temperature, even though the absorption of or cooling of heat or cool energy. Let us analyze this picture, which explains that from us, it is a um, transaction between solid and liquid occurs via melting and solidification. Transaction between liquid and gas occurs due to vaporization or liquefaction. Liquefaction. Direct transaction between solid and gas occurs due to sublimation, and the gas to solid is deposition. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for seeing more videos. Thank you.